Like in a small bicycle shop in Dayton, Ohio, brothers Wilbur and Orville Wright tinkered not just with spokes and gears, but with dreams of flight. It was the late 19th century, and the idea of a machine soaring through the air was considered the stuff of fantasy. Yet these two unassuming mechanics with only high school educations possessed an insatiable curiosity and a meticulous approach to problem solving that would soon change the world. Their journey began with observing birds. They spent countless hours watching buzzards glide and soar, meticulously studying the subtle shifts of their wings and tails. This led them to a crucial insight. Successful flight wasn't just about power, but about control. Unlike many inventors of their time who focused solely on powerful engines, the Wright brothers understood that a stable, controllable aircraft was paramount. They started with gliders, building and testing numerous prototypes in their pursuit of aerodynamic mastery. They faced countless failures, crashed models, and the relentless skepticism of their peers. But each setback was a lesson learned, each broken part a data point in their grand experiment. They developed the concept of wing warping, a method of twisting the wings to control the aircraft's roll, a revolutionary idea that would become the precursor to modern ailerons. Their research led them to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, a desolate stretch of sandy dunes with consistent winds, the perfect natural laboratory. Here, they continued their glider tests, refining their control systems and gathering invaluable data. Back in Dayton, they designed and built a lightweight gasoline engine, a remarkable feat of engineering given the limited technology of the era. Finally, on December 17, 1903, the culmination of years of relentless effort arrived. With Orville at the controls, the flyer lifted off the sands of Kitty Hawk, staying airborne for a mere 12 seconds and covering 120 feet. It was a humble beginning, but it was undeniable proof that human flight was possible. The Wright brothers didn't just build a machine, they pioneered a three-axis control system that remains the fundamental basis of aviation today. From the dusty floors of a Dayton bike shop to the edges of the atmosphere, their relentless American grit proved that even the most grounded beginnings can reach the stars. Beyond that initial 12-second hop, the brothers returned to Ohio to perfect their craft in a cow pasture known as Huffman Prairie. While the world remained largely oblivious, they were quietly mastering 360-degree turns and staying airborne for over 30 minutes. They transitioned from mere mechanics to the world's first aeronautical engineers, proving that the bicycle, a machine requiring balance and active pilot input, was the perfect technological ancestor for the airplane. Their legacy turned the sky from a barrier into a highway.